Have you ever wondered how a simple patent clerk transformed into a global scientific icon? Let's delve into the enigma that is Albert Einstein. Born in the late 19th century, in the year 1879 in Ulm, Germany, young Einstein's journey was anything but ordinary. The son of a featherbed salesman, Einstein's formative years were shaped by a deep sense of curiosity and a burning desire to understand the world around him. As a child, Einstein wasn't particularly remarkable. He was late to talk and his teachers often perceived him to be a slow learner. But it was his unconventional thinking that set him apart. His education began at a Catholic elementary school, where he first encountered the rigid structure of traditional schooling. It was a system that he would come to detest, one that he believed stifled creativity and independent thought. Despite these struggles, Einstein's fascination with the world of physics and mathematics was undeterred. At the age of 12, he discovered a book on geometry and was immediately captivated. He taught himself calculus in just 2 years, a testament to his intellectual prowess. His academic journey led him to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. It was here that Einstein began to truly immerse himself in the world of physics, a field that would eventually recognize him as one of its greatest pioneers. However, Einstein's path was not smooth. He often clashed with his professors, struggling to conform to the strict academic protocols of the time. His rebellious nature and unorthodox methods often landed him in trouble. But these were the very qualities that would later drive his groundbreaking research and theories. From a curious child to a disgruntled student, Einstein's journey was just beginning. His life was about to take a turn, one that would lead him from the confines of a patent office to the global stage, forever transforming our understanding of the universe. His story serves as a reminder that the path to greatness is often unconventional, filled with struggles and setbacks, but it is these very challenges that shape us, that mold us into the individuals we are destined to become. Stay tuned as we unravel the life and legacy of Albert Einstein. Who would have thought that a patent clerk would soon revolutionize our understanding of the universe? This question takes us back to the early 20th century, to a small Swiss patent office and a young clerk named Albert Einstein. Every day, Einstein would review patent applications, carefully examining the blueprints and technical details. But his mind was also at work on other things. Between scrutinizing patent applications and performing his administrative duties, Einstein's thoughts were constantly exploring the mysteries of the universe. In this seemingly ordinary environment, the extraordinary was waiting to emerge. Einstein was not merely a patent clerk, he was a patent clerk with a burning curiosity and a brilliant mind. The year was 1905, a year that would later be referred to as Einstein's miracle year. It was during this year that Einstein, still working in the patent office, published 4 groundbreaking papers. The first paper explained the photoelectric effect, a phenomenon that would later earn him the Nobel Prize in Physics. The second paper delved into Brownian motion, providing empirical evidence for the existence of atoms. The third paper introduced the theory of special relativity, challenging the fundamental concepts of space and time. And the fourth paper? It gave us the most famous equation in physics, E equals mc squared, representing the equivalence of mass and energy. These papers were not just revolutionary, they were transformative. They changed the way we understand the universe, and they all came from a young patent clerk in Switzerland. Yet during this time, Einstein's genius remained largely unrecognized. He was still just a patent clerk, after all, but the world wouldn't remain oblivious for long. The ideas he developed during his time in the patent office would soon catapult him to international fame. Einstein, the unassuming patent clerk, was about to become Einstein, the world-renowned physicist. The stage was set for one of the greatest scientific revolutions the world has ever seen, and it all started in a small patent office in Switzerland. Ever pondered about the fabric of space and time? Well, Einstein did, and it changed everything. As we delve deeper into the life of Albert Einstein, we cannot overlook his groundbreaking work on the theory of relativity. In 1905, Einstein presented the world with his special theory of relativity. At its core, this theory challenged the very foundation of classical physics, shaking up the scientific community with 2 simple but revolutionary ideas. Firstly, Einstein proposed that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers. This meant that if you were to observe a physical event from a stationary position or a constant speed, the laws of physics would still hold true. Secondly, he suggested that the speed of light is the same for all observers, regardless of their state of motion or that of the source of light. This was a mind-boggling proposition, considering the common belief of the time was that the speed of light would change based on the observer's speed and direction. A decade later, Einstein expanded his theory of relativity from the special to the general, bringing gravity into the equation. He postulated that massive objects cause a distortion in space-time, which is felt as gravity. Imagine a bowling ball placed on a stretched rubber sheet. The ball would warp the sheet, creating a dip around it. This is what massive objects like stars or planets do to the fabric of space-time, according to Einstein's theory of general relativity. These theories not only shattered the then existing notions of physics, but also paved the way for a whole new understanding of the universe. They helped us understand everything from the behavior of tiny particles to the dynamics of galaxies. With his revolutionary theories, Einstein had changed the face of physics forever. What does it take to win a Nobel Prize? For Einstein, it was a simple equation: E = mc squared. But hold on a second, did you know Einstein's Nobel Prize wasn't directly for his most famous equation? Indeed, in the year 1921, the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Albert Einstein for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. It was a phenomenon that no one could quite grasp until Einstein, with his brilliant mind, unraveled it. He proposed that light is made up of particles, or quanta, which we now call photons. When these photons hit a metal surface, they can transfer their energy to electrons, causing them to be ejected from the metal, a process known as the photoelectric effect. This groundbreaking work laid the foundation for quantum mechanics, a cornerstone of modern physics. As the years passed, Einstein's fame grew. His iconic status transcended the realm of science, making him a global celebrity. In the year 1933, with the political landscape of his home country Germany becoming increasingly hostile, Einstein made a life-altering decision. He left Germany and moved across the Atlantic to the United States, a country that would become his home for the rest of his life. Einstein accepted a position at Princeton University, where he continued to puzzle over the mysteries of the universe. Here, he embarked on a new quest, to develop a unified field theory, a single framework that could encompass all of the forces of nature. Despite years of relentless effort, this goal eluded him. Einstein's later years were filled with deep thought, reflection, and advocacy for peace and civil rights. His influence extended far beyond the confines of physics, shaping our collective understanding of the universe and our place within it. Einstein's legacy is not just in his scientific achievements but also in his enduring influence on future generations of scientists. His life, his work, and his relentless pursuit of knowledge continue to inspire countless individuals around the globe. How does one man's work continue to shape our understanding of the universe? A question that echoes the profound influence of Albert Einstein, a man whose theories continue to ripple through the fabric of time and space, shaping our comprehension of the cosmos. Einstein's theories, particularly his theory of relativity, are still the backbone of modern physics. They provide the basis for understanding the fundamental nature of the universe, from the largest galaxies to the smallest particles. Einstein's equations have been used to predict the existence of black holes and gravitational waves, phenomena that have only recently been observed, confirming his predictions made over a century ago. His work also underpins much of the technology we take for granted today. The Global Positioning System, or GPS, is a prime example. The precise timing needed for GPS to work effectively requires adjustments based on Einstein's theory of relativity. Without these adjustments, the system would quickly become inaccurate. Einstein's work has also driven advancements in nuclear energy, lasers, semiconductors, and much more. Beyond his contributions to science and technology, Einstein has become a cultural icon. His image, the wild-haired, mustachioed physicist with a twinkle in his eye, is instantly recognizable across the globe. But it's not just his image that endures, it's his spirit of curiosity and wonder. He's become a symbol for the power of human intellect, the potential of the mind to unlock the secrets of the universe. Einstein's influence extends to the popular understanding of science as well. He made complex ideas accessible and emphasized the importance of questioning, exploration, and imagination. Through his words and his work, he showed that science is not just a collection of facts, but a process of discovery. Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius, continues to inspire us, proving that the power of a curious mind is truly limitless. His legacy is not just in his theories, but in the way he has shaped our perception of the world and our place within it. Einstein's work reminds us that the universe is a place of wonder, waiting to be explored.